In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all unread emails in Gmail. If your inbox has gotten out of hand, this quick cleanup will help you get back to zero without digging through pages of messages. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. For the smoothest experience, do this on a computer rather than the mobile app. Make sure you're in the correct account so you don't accidentally affect another inbox. At the top of Gmail, click inside the search bar. We're going to use a simple search operator to gather every unread message in one place. Type exactly this, with no spaces: is unread. This tells Gmail to filter your mailbox and show only the emails you haven't opened yet. It works across your inbox and any labels, so you don't have to hunt around. Press Enter on your keyboard to run the search. You should now see a list made up entirely of unread emails. Take a second to glance at the results and make sure you're comfortable removing what you see. If something important is there, you can always open it first so it no longer counts as unread. Next, select all the messages that appear. Click the small checkbox at the very top left of the message list, just above your emails. That selects every conversation on the current page. Gmail typically shows a limited number per page, so to capture everything in this unread search, look for the banner that appears right after you click the checkbox. It will offer to select all messages that match this search, not just the ones you can see. Click that option to include every unread email returned by the filter. With everything selected, click the Delete button, which looks like a trash can icon in the toolbar above your messages. Gmail will move all selected unread emails to the trash. Don't worry if you change your mind. There's a brief undo option that appears at the bottom of the screen, and messages remain in trash for a limited time before they're permanently removed. That safety net gives you a moment to recover anything you didn't mean to remove. That's it. You opened Gmail, searched for is unread, selected all the results, expanded the selection to include everything that matched, and deleted them in one go. This is a fast, reliable way to clear the clutter and make room for what matters. If you plan to use this regularly, remember the exact search term and the flow. Search, select, expand, delete. Enjoy your cleaner inbox.